What are the new features on the Google Business Profile and how can I add the products and service section? Hey guys, Jamal Galadari here, helping law firms and attorneys with online marketing and SEO. I know it's been a while since I made a video. I will try to put one out every single month. But today I wanted to talk about this is a highly sought after video. I've had many questions about it, so I just want to dive in. Now, this is my Google Business Profile. I got this set up just to help my law firms and attorneys with improving their Google Business Profile. So let's dive in, guys. So this is a Google Business Profile. Now, it's no longer called Google My Business. It's now called Google Business Profile. Google got rid of it about 4 months ago. They will be getting rid of the app as well. So just so you know that. But there's some really cool new features on the Google Business Profile to help you update and edit your profile, making it a lot easier for the end consumer. That's Google's goal, anyways, to make it easier for us and, of course, for them to make more money. But here, if you scroll down, all you would have to do, one of the new features and cool features, is as long as you're logged into your Google Business Google profile that's linked to your Google Business profile, all you need to do is Google your firm name, and you'll have access to your Google Business profile to update it. So, for example, I just put in my Google business name. You can put in whatever you want for your law firm name, and it will show up just like this, your business on Google. Now, why this is nice is you can make edits right away, right from here. You don't have to go into your Google business profile to make those edits. Now, there are some edits that you can't make here. You would still have to log in. Like, let's say you need to update your address. That's one thing that you can't edit from this screen. You'd have to actually go into your Google Business Profile and edit there. But there's a lot you can do from this screen. So, for example, when I want to make some edits, right, you can add updates here on this feature here, or here's the description. I know I've went over this before, but super important, very easy to make an edit here, and I'll show you. You just edit profile, and then here you have different categories, right? Self-explanatory. Business, products, and services, which I'll show you today. But business information. From here, you can update the firm name, as well as the category, business category, which you should be selecting your categories. Again, whatever practice area you want to generate more business in, make sure you select that category because it's telling Google exactly what your business does and the practice area. So if you're in estate planning, put estate planning. If you're in family law, put family law. If you're in divorce, put divorce. It's really going to help you show up in the local map section. And Google loves itself. So the more you can update this profile, the better results you're going to get, right? So write a brief description. Add in all your practice areas in the description. Try to max it out on the word count as well if you can. So just don't put estate planning attorney serving Tampa Bay, right? That's pretty generic, and you don't get in more details. So get in the details in the description. Add the website, right, service area, and a lot more here. But today I want to really focus on the products and service section. So there's a new feature. It's a products and service section that you can add to your Google Business Profile. Now, why is this important? Again, the more you fill out your profile, the better. One of my law firms, we just added it not too long ago, and they've seen really great results from the legal consumer interacting with that profile more and clicking on those features and the products and service section. So what does that do? Google sees that there's more interaction with your Google Business Profile and they offer it up more. So the more you can get clients engaged with your Google Business Profile, the better results you're going to get with it. That's like driving reviews to it as well. So get started here. Now this is going to, what you're going to do is you're going to select your product name. So the product name is going to be family law. Whatever page you're thinking or category you're thinking of linking it to, name that category under that. So family law. Then the select category, create new category, put family law. Then product and prices, don't put prices here. And then product description. This is going to be the description of that practice area or that practice area page. So write a brief description. Again, don't just try to copy it off your website because then it's kind of like duplicate content. You want it to be unique. So write just a brief description here. And then here, and again, in the brief description, I forgot to mention, make sure you don't add a phone number or link. Google will actually reject it. So you want to make sure it's just a brief description of that category. Then right here is where you're going to add learn more. Learn more is going to allow you to put your website link. Now what you want there is the actual link to that category page on your website. So for example, if you have a page, family law, then link it to that family law page. You could have another category under divorce, link it to that divorce page. That way, when the legal consumer is messing around with the products and service tabs, then it will link to that corresponding page. And then here's where you're going to add the photo. This is really important. Add the photo here, and you can use, there's tons of stock images you can use for free. You could use your firm logo. I would suggest against it. Yes, it's good for branding, but you want it to be unique. You want it to stand out. So use a stock image. If you have unique photos of your own, great. Use unique photos of your own. But you can download these free images. This is just pixel.com. Tons of free images here that you can download and add. Look at these images, great for divorce. A woman taking off her ring, for example. Add that to one of your divorce sections on that products and service tab. So then it'll show up permanently on your Google Business profile, making it look better, making it more engaging, and clients will interact with your profile more. So it's a really great new feature that Google's added that I would highly recommend your law firm add. Now, either you can do it, or you can ask your third-party provider to do it, or you can call me and I'll walk you through it, how to do it. We just do a screen share. But here's one of the clients that I work with, and then here you can see where it says whistleblower. You click on that image. Again, this is the product section. You click on this image, it shows whistleblower and then a brief description. Perfect. And then you click the link. Now, let's say if you just want to get this updated, you're in a hurry, you don't have time for a brief description, just pass over the brief description portion of it here. Just pass over it and just add and learn more and add the link to your website. Then later you can come back and add the brief description to that section, and then it will show. So that's how you update the products and service section. These are just some of the quick new features on the Google Business Profile. So I will go through another video in more detail with all of the new features and even more so. But I wanted to get this products and service section out there because a lot of my clients have been wondering how to do it, and I wanted to walk you guys through that. And again, we can do a screen share if you want as well. Well, I hope that was helpful. If you like the content that I'm providing, like the video, you can also go to my website at jamalgaladari.com and find out more videos there. But please like and subscribe and share, and I hope that was helpful. And on to the next video.